Dear student of class 12, I'll continue with partial fraction. Now today we'll discuss the different form of partial fraction. Now in this form, dx over x into x minus 1 whole square. Now for this kind of questions, how to use the partial fraction of dx over, it is in terms of linear into quadratic, or we can say perfect square. For this kind of question, linear, another is perfect square form, means what you have to do is x minus a over x minus b whole square is equals to, this is a partial fraction, you just have to remember a upon linear, that is x minus a, plus b upon, first of all that you have to write it's linear, that is x minus b, plus c upon x minus b whole square. This way we can use partial fraction of this kind of questions. Linear into a perfect square. Now the same thing I'll apply over here. Now say 1 over, it is x into x minus 1 whole square. Its partial will be a upon x plus b upon x minus 1 whole square. Oh sorry, x minus 1, it's linear, plus c upon x minus 1 whole square. The same method that I'm going to apply over here. Now then, the method is almost same. Now then, I'll take LCM. X into x minus 1 whole square is equals to, we in the right hand side, the LCM is x into x minus 1 whole square. Now then it will be a into x minus 1 whole square plus b into, it will be x into x minus 1 plus c into x after LCM, and this quantities get cancelled. Then 1 is equals to a x minus 1 whole square plus bx into x minus 1 plus cx. Now then we'll try to calculate the value of ABC. Now say, for this kind of questions, one quantity it's not possible to calculate by the direct method. Now say, to calculate the value of A, that you have to make B and C 0. The common is x over here. If I substitute x equals to 0, this one will be 0, this one will be 0. Easily we can calculate the value of A. To calculate the value of B, that you have to make A and C 0. Both A and C 0 by considering the x. But in case of A and C, there is no common quantities. You don't have any common over here. So it's not possible to calculate the value of B. A easily we can calculate, B is not possible to calculate by the direct method, and with the C is possible or not. Now whether C is possible or not we'll verify. Now say over here, to calculate the value of C you have to make A and B 0. But in case of A and B there are some common quantities. If I substitute x equals to 1, both the quantities will be 0, then easily we can calculate the value of C. But B, the calculation of B is not possible. Due to this reason, we'll try to make over here one identical equations. Now you have to form to calculate the value of B, that you have to find one equation. Equation will be, simplify this quantity. X minus 1 whole square means a square plus b square minus 2ab plus bx into x is x square minus bx plus cx. Now 1 is equals to this ax square plus a minus 2ax plus bx square minus bx plus cx. Now then I'll try to form a quadratic equation in terms of x squared. From these two expressions, the common is x squared. If I take x squared common, it will be a plus b into x squared. Now then I'll take x common. From this three expression, the x is common. If I take x common, I'll start with the positive quantity. It will be c, then minus 2a minus b. Next is the constant. The constant quantity is a over here. Only one constant is there. Then plus a. Now it is x square, ax square plus bx plus c form. It is a quadratic equation in terms of x. Similarly, in right hand side, I'll make one quadratic equation. X square is not there, so we can write 0 into x square plus x is also not there. 0 into x plus constant is there, 1. Now then this one will be a plus b into x square plus c minus 2a minus b into x plus a. Now then I'll compare. The coefficient of x square is a plus b. Over here the coefficient of x square is 0. So we'll write a plus b equals to 0. Let it be equation number 1. Now next is the coefficient of x is c minus 2a minus b equals to 0. Let it be equation number 2. Then the constant is 1. A equals to 1. The constant a is equals to 1. Now after getting a, putting the value of a in equation number 1, putting a is equals to 1 in equation 1, I'll substitute over here. It will be 1 plus b equals to 0, then b is equals to minus 1. The value of b is minus 1. Now after getting a and b, now then I'll substitute the value of a and b, putting a is equals to 1 and b is equals to minus 1 in equation 2, so that we can calculate the value of c. Over here, c minus 2 into a is 1 minus b is minus 1 equals to 0. Minus 2 plus 1 equals to 0. Then this is c minus 1 equals to 0. Then the value of c is 1. Now all the values of a, b, c is with us. Now then integrate, I'll apply over here. Therefore, integration a is 1 over x plus b is minus 1 over x minus 1 plus c is 1 over x minus 1 whole square. Dx. Now the integration dx over x is log of mod x minus into plus minus dx over x minus 1 is log of x minus 1 plus, we cannot integrate this one directly. It is x to the power x minus 1 to the power 2 means we can write x minus 1 to the power minus 2 dx. Log m minus log n is log m over n. Integration of x to the power minus 2 is x minus 1 to the power minus 2 plus 1 over minus 2 plus 1 plus c. Log of x over x minus 1 plus x minus 1 to the power minus 1 over minus 1 plus c. Therefore, the final answer is log of x minus 1 minus into plus minus, it is 1 over x minus 1 plus c. This is the required answer. Dear student, another type of question, but the method is same. Now I'll use partial fraction, which is also linear into perfect square form. So I'll write x minus 1 over x minus 3 into x minus 2 whole square. The partial fraction of this kind of question is a over x minus 3 plus b over x minus 2 plus c over x minus 2 whole square. Now then, after LCM, this one will be a into x minus 2 plus b into x minus 3 into x minus 2 plus c into x minus 3. Definitely over here also, it's not possible to calculate the value of one quantity. we cannot calculate over here the value of b again. So I'll make one equation quadratic. Ax minus 2a plus b into x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 3 to the 6 plus cx minus 3c plus, I'll open this bracket, it is bx square minus 2x minus 3x is minus 5x, so minus 5bx plus 6b plus cx minus 3c. Now then I'll make one quadratic equation over here. Oh, I made a mistake over here. This must be whole square. This must be square over here. So when you take LCM, this one is square. A into formula a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab plus b into x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 6 plus cx minus 3c. X minus 1 is equals to ax square plus 4a minus 4ax plus bx square minus 5bx plus 6b plus cx minus 3c. Now I'll make one quadratic. X square I'll take common. It will be a plus b into x square. Next is x common. If I take x common, positive, I'll start with the positive. C minus 4a minus 5b. And the constant over here, the constant quantity are 4a minus 3c. 4a minus 3c. Now that this is quadratic, but x minus 1 is there, so I'll make one quadratic. 0 into x square plus x minus 1 is equals to a plus b into x square plus c minus a 4a minus 5b into x plus 4a minus 3c. For this question, it's not possible to value of a. Now the constant, in previous one the constant was a, now over here the constant is 4a minus 3c. For this kind of question, I'll consider this equation is equation number 1. Now then I'll compare. Coefficient of x square is a plus b. A plus b, over here the coefficient is 0. Let it be equation number 2. This is equation number 1. Now x, coefficient of x is c minus 4a minus 5b is equals to, the coefficient of x is this one, over here the coefficient of x is 1, 3. Now the constant 4a minus 3c is equals to the constant, this one is constant, over here the constant is minus 1. That is equation number 4. Now solving this 2, 3 and 4, that you have to calculate the value of a, b and c. But I'll use one shortcut method over here to calculate, to calculate the value of a, you have to make b and c 0. So in b and c, x minus 3 is common. If I putting x equals to, x minus 3 is there. If I put x equals to 3, this equation 1, these two quantity will be 0, easily we can calculate the value of a. Putting x equals to 3 in equation 1. If I substitute 3 over here, 3 minus 1 is equals to a into 3 minus 2 whole square plus, if I substitute x equals to 3 over here, 3 minus 3, 0. 0 into anything is 0. Plus, if I substitute 3 over here, x minus 3, it is 0. Now then this is 2a, 2 is equals to, 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 square is 1. It is a is equals to 1. after getting a is equals to 2, if I substitute 2 here, easily we can calculate the value of b, putting a is equals to 2 in equation 2. 2 plus b is equals to 0, then b is equals to minus 2. Again, I'll substitute a is equals to 2 over here. Easily we can calculate the value of c. Putting a is equals to 2 in equation 4. 4 into 2 minus 3c equals to minus 1. 8 minus 3c equals to minus 1. Minus 3c is equals to minus 1 minus 8. Minus 9. C is equals to 3. Therefore, after getting the value of ABC, integration is 2. 2 over x minus 3 plus b is minus 2 over x minus 2 plus c is 3 over x minus 2 whole square dx. Now then, integration to dx over log x minus 3 is log of x minus 3 minus into plus minus 2 log of x minus 2 plus 3. Cannot integrate directly. In previous one also I did the same question, minus 2 dx. Now then, I'll take 2 common. I'll take 2 common from this two expression. 2 common. This one will be log of x minus 3 minus log of plus 3. Now the integration of this quantity is x minus 2 to the power minus 2 plus 1 over minus 2 plus 1 plus 3. 2 into log x minus 3 over x minus 2. After simplification, this one will be minus 3 into 1 over x minus 2 plus c. This is the required answer. And remaining questions, lengthy sums are there. The remaining sums I'll solve and send it to you and try to understand. Thank you.